Hi friends, this is that restoration training material that I developed a number of years ago that has been changing lives all across the nation in ministries that are helping hurting people. I want to make it available to all. I think the church needs this. I think every individual needs a set of this in their own home. Why? It'll help you deal with your issues. It'll help you grow and mature as God intended so that you in turn can help others grow and mature. We Christians have the answer to emotional wounds. We Christians have the answer to what the world calls insanity. We have the answer. God has always given us the answer. 10 DVDs, 45 minutes, 50 minutes in length, perfect for self-study, perfect for group study. It'll change your life. Accessible only on my website. So I'll see you in the classroom.